Hello everyone, hope all of you are doing well, right? So let's start with our NKP5. The topic is INICET preparation with a new concept of fast revision, right? How to prepare for INICET. See, the questions asked by you to me is that, sir, what is there any different method of preparation for INICET, right? Second question, sir, do we need to spend more time in solving INICET questions? Next question, sir, how many previous year question papers to solve before giving the exam? Sir, any tip which increases my chance of getting a seat in INICET? These are the various questions asked by you people to me. So to answer these questions, let's understand the concepts and facts of INICET preparation, right? So most of the students, as we have discussed in our previous NKP, that few students are finishing their first revision by October 31st, few by November 7th, and few students by November 19th, and few students by November 30. Okay, fine. Now, if you have already finished your revision by October 31st, so till INICET you have 19 days. If you are finishing it by November 7th, that is today, you have another 12 days before INICET, right? So November 19 means you don't have November 19 and November 30, obviously you don't have time before INICET. Anyways, once you finish your first revision on either on October 31st or November 7th, so what to do next? Most of the students, they plan to solve more and more number of previous year question papers, INICET question papers, right? So obviously it will help you. There is no doubt in that. But according to me, the better thing, better than that, what you can do is that, so give one fast revision. So what is fast revision? One day one subject. If you have already finished by October 31st, if you have started by November 1st, then you one day one subject, you can cover all the 19 subject, right, before INICET. Now if you're finishing by November 7th, that is today, you have 12 days. Just select the 12 important subjects, one day one subject, and revise those 12 subjects. So fast revision is the better option compared to spending 19 days or 12 days in solving previous year question papers of INICET. Why? I will tell you later. The next question, sir, once you are telling us to give fast question, not to solve previous year question papers, when to solve the previous year question papers of INICET? Obviously, daily spend 30 to 60 minutes to solve the questions of previous year question papers of INICET. Very simple, 30 to 60 minutes. If you have started from October 10th, November 20th, almost 40 days, 40 hours of INICET, 40 hours you can spend in solving the questions of INICET, right, previous year question papers. And obviously, if you feel that is not sufficient, you can spend 2 to 3 days, entire 2 to 3 days in solving previous year question papers of INICET before the exam. So exam is on 20th, so before the exam means 18 and 19th, or 17, 18, 19, 2 to 3 days, max 2 to 3 days, 3 days, not more than that. Do not spend more number of days, like 10 to 15 days in solving previous year question papers, right? So that is very important. Why? Because if you spend 10 to 15 days in solving previous year question papers of INICET, what will happen? Obviously, the chances of getting a seat in INICET is very less, because seats are very less, students are many. So wasting 10 to 15 days here will decrease your chance of getting a seat in NEET also, by chance, if you do not get in the INICET, right? In those 10 to 15 days, if you give a fast revision, that will increase the chance of getting a seat in INICET. By chance, if you don't get here in INICET, obviously it also increases a chance of getting a seat in NEET also. So fast revision will help you to get a seat in INICET and also in the NEET, right? If you waste 10 to 15 days, that will not help you, according to me. And when to solve questions, daily spend 1 hour. So solve the previous year question papers of INICET daily 1 hour, you will get 40 hours. And obviously, if you have not started, start from today, at least you will get 12 hours, right, daily, if you start solving for 1 hour. And obviously, at the end, if you feel that is not sufficient, spend 2 to 3 days, not more than that. So with this, now let's answer these questions, right? Sir, is there any different method of preparation? The answer is no. So there is no different method of preparation. Follow the same preparation which you are following now for the NEET. Just you need to spend 30 to 60 minutes in solving INICET questions daily. That's it. nothing else. That is the method of preparation for INI CET. If you are capable, capable means to get a seat in INI CET. Capable means what? If you are intelligent and if your knowledge is good, that means you have read very well during your second year MBBS life, that during your entire MBBS life, that means your knowledge is good, and your preparation, you have done a very good preparation and your preparation is enough. That means if you are capable, so you will get a seat with this preparation. If you are not capable means you are not that intelligent, you are not read very well during your second year MBBS life, that means your knowledge is not great and you have not given a good revision, then obviously you are not capable. So if you're not capable, even if you spend 10 to 15 days in solving previous year question papers, you will not get the seat. Always remember, always remember. So that's why do not waste 10 to 15 days, right? There is no different preparation. Follow the same preparation, just spend 1 hour daily in solving the INI CET questions. So do I need to spend more time in solving INI CET questions? Already answered, no. Spend 30 to 60 minutes daily, not more than that. Sir, how many previous year question papers to solve right before the exam? So answer is 1 to 3 years. See, most of the students, they say 5 years. See, obviously it's not possible to solve all the question papers, 5-year question papers of all the INI CET exams, AIIMS, JIPMER, PGI. Where is the time and when you will solve? And it's not needed also. Once again, I'm telling you, do not waste more time in solving the questions, compromising on your revision. The wise idea is do more number of revisions, compromise on the questions, but do not compromise on the number of revisions compared to the solving questions. So this is very important. So 1 to 3 years, even 1 year of AIIMS, PGI, JIPMER, NIMANS, if you're solving, it's fine. If you're solving 2 years, well and good. 3 years means awesome. 5 years, it's not possible according to me, right? It's up to you. You can solve 5 to 10 years also. It's up to you. But according to me, this is what is possible with the time available, right? So any tip which increases my chance of getting a seat in INI CET, right? Any tip which increases my chance of getting a seat in INI CET, my answer is, like we have discussed, sir, the fast revision. It will increase the chance of getting a seat, not solving more and more number of previous year question papers. Obviously you need to solve, but not compromising on your fast revision. Hope you have got some idea about the INI preparation. Now if you ask me, sir, what is the good score to get a good seat, whether it is INI CET or the NEET, follow the NKP 6. With this, all the best, and I will pray for you that you will get a seat in INI CET itself. Do well, prepare well, do not lose the hope. Even if you feel you are not worth, you are not capable, never lose the hope. Okay, give a try till the last, and obviously I will pray that you will get a seat in the INI CET itself. Thank you.